India has launched two new visas to attract international students, the e student visa and the e student X visa. These are the part of the Ministry of Education's Study in India SII initiative, designed to simplify the process for foreign students looking to study in India. Here's how it works. E-student visa for students admitted to recognized programs like undergraduate, postgraduate or doctoral studies. It's valid for up to 5 years and can be extended. E-student X visa for dependents of e-student visa holders. To apply, students must register on the SII portal, secure admission at a partner institution, and then use their SII ID to apply for a visa via indianvisaonline.government.in. The SII program collaborates with over 600 Indian institutions offering 8,000 plus courses across disciplines like engineering, management, arts, sciences, and unique fields like yoga and Buddhist studies. Whether for long term degrees or short term programs, it opens doors to global education in India.